Hi and welcome to IRR TV. I'm Kelebogile and I'm here today with one of the research analysts here at the Institute, Mr. Kerwin Lebone, who is here today to talk to us about the recent publication of the Phosphex report. So, Kerwin, what is the report all about?
Well, it's about the commercial side of agriculture in South Africa, and we were trying to show the progress after 1994 of how farmers are coping in the new South Africa. Because remember, pre-1994, farmers had subsidies from government, and then after 1994, those subsidies were taken away, and farmers have had to contend with internationally subsidized farmers like those in the US. So it's a very tough environment to what it was previously. But in the face of that, our farmers in South Africa have shown a lot of resilience.
Can you provide an example from the data of how farmers have had to adjust?
Well, there's a lot of indicators in the report that we've published recently. One of the things I can pick out from that report is the issue of exports and imports that we've managed. Our exports have managed to outpace our imports for a period between 1980 and 2015. Like I said, without those protections that farmers used to enjoy from government.
What is the agricultural contribution to the GDP? Because it was once over 10% and now it has fallen over 2%. What does that mean for the industry?
Well, there's a lot of debate about land and farming in the country, and justifiably so. But what the information shows is that agriculture on its own as an industry is being overstated as a provider of jobs and also poverty alleviation, because it has shrunk. The contribution to GDP has shrunk, like you say, from 10% in the 80s to just above 2% in 2015. So which means the industry as a whole is not going to be an answer if you are looking at poverty alleviation and large-scale job creation.
Do small-scale farmers or informal producers have a significant role to play in the agricultural industry?
Absolutely, and the indicator that I can pick out for you now is that of ownership of cattle head. Out of the total cattle head in the country, small-scale farmers, or what you'd call informal farmers, those who are in the former homelands, they own 40% of the total head of cattle in the country. That is, if they do not use such ownership for status purposes and get into businesses, they can be big suppliers of restaurants and butcheries. And so there is a potential for them to play a much larger role in the farming industry.